Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all the ultimate glowing skincare regime. ये वाला skincare routine follow करने से आपकी skin इतनी ज़्यादा glow करेगी, you'll fall in love with your skin. Usually क्या होता है जब आप कोई भी skincare routine follow करते हो, आप एक serum लगाते हो, moisturizer लगाते हो, sunscreen लगाते हो, and because of layering so many products, आपकी जो skin का natural glow है वो इन products के नीचे छुप जाता है, and आपकी skin काफ़ी dull लगने लगती है. But जो products मैं use करने वाली हूँ इस routine में, these are all glow boosting products. And they will boost so much glow, so much radiance on your skin. आपकी skin इतनी ज़्यादा glowing बन जाएगी, it looks so beautiful, you'll absolutely fall in love with it. तो सारे products मैं Foxtail के use करने वाली हूँ. Foxtail is one of my favorite skincare brands out there, and all of their products give amazing results on the skin. And जो सारे products मैंने pick किए हैं skincare routine के लिए, they are all glow boosting products. So let's quickly begin with today's skincare regime. सबसे पहले कोई भी routine करने से पहले you need to wash your face. Now I've already washed my face. My face is completely clean. मैंने सिर्फ एक tinted lip balm लगाया है for the purpose of this video, but otherwise my skin is completely clean. I do not have any makeup, nothing on. So I'm just gonna start off with the first product, which is Foxtail Keep Calm Daily Hydrating Serum. Now this is a hyaluronic acid based serum, and इसको लगाने से आपकी skin जो है वो काफ़ी hydrated हो जाएगी. It will help to retain that hydration in your skin and prevent dryness on your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps in hydrating the skin so well, and it makes the skin so plump and so bouncy, and आपकी skin इतनी healthy दिखेगी that the glow will come from within. Okay, after hydrating my skin, the next step is to use a vitamin C serum, because vitamin C serum से ज़्यादा glow तो कोई भी serum boost नहीं कर सकता. So I have my favorite vitamin C serum from the Indian market. This is Foxtail See for Yourself Brightening Vitamin C Serum. Now before I use this, I just want to mention कि ये जो सारे products मैं use कर रही हूँ ना Foxtail के, these are all glow boosting products, and इनके अलावा भी Foxtail has a variety of amazing products. They have anti-aging, anti-acne, anti-pigmentation products and so many more products. तो अगर आप इन products में से कोई भी purchase करना चाहते हो, then this is the perfect time, because Foxtail is currently running their buy two get two sale. ये sale बहुत अच्छा steal deal है. You just need to purchase 2 products, you'll get 2 other products absolutely free. All you need to do is use my code RIAS. It's mentioned on the screen as well as in the description box below. You can check that out. Foxtail की website की link भी मैंने description में दे दी है. You can check that out as well. Make sure that you use my code. Make sure that you avail this offer, because ये बार बार नहीं आने वाला. Buy two get two free is a steal deal offer. You only need to pay for 2 products and you get a total of 4 products. इतना अच्छा सेल मिलना बहुत rare होता है. So make sure you grab this opportunity and purchase any Foxtail products that you want from this sale. So now I'm going to go ahead with the vitamin C serum. इसमें L-ascorbic acid है, which is a form of vitamin C serum, and along with that this also has vitamin E. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये जो विटामिन सी सीरम है इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी एकदम लिक्विड ही नहीं है. इट्स गॉट a slight creamy consistency, and that's why along with giving you that glow, it also helps in hydrating your skin. We are all aware of vitamin C benefits. Vitamin C helps in boosting collagen production, which helps in renewing your skin cells and makes your skin looking younger. It helps in reducing the signs of aging, and it boosts amazing glow on the skin. Now, if you have oily skin, you can stop right here, because the amount of hydration that you have on your skin is more than enough. But अगर आपकी skin normal है या dry है, and if you want even more moisturization, even more hydration, then you can use this moisturizer. This is Foxtail Ceramide Super Cream Hydrating Moisturizer, and the reason why it's called a super cream is because it's got the combination of some amazing ingredients in here. Firstly, इसमें plant-based ceramides है, and ceramides आपके skin barrier को repair करता है. अगर आपकी skin का जो barrier है वो damaged है, तो it means कि आपकी skin के damage होने के chances बढ़ जाते हैं, and pollution से आपकी skin बहुत damage हो सकती है. या अगर आप कोई नया product try करते हो और वो आपको suit नहीं हुआ, तो आपकी skin बहुत irritate हो सकती है. अगर आप active ingredients use करो और आप देखो कि आपकी स्किन बहुत रेड हो रही है, इट मीन्स योर स्किन बैरियर इज डैमेज एंड यू नीड टू रिपेयर इट, यू नीड टू स्ट्रेंथन इट, एंड फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज सेरेमाइड्स. सेरेमाइड्स आपके डैमेज स्किन बैरियर को रिपेयर करता है, उनको स्ट्रेंथन करता है, एंड दैट्स हाउ योर स्किन इज लेस प्रोन टू डैमेज. दैट इज हाउ योर स्किन विल बी एबल टू लाइक टॉलरेट active ingredients better. So to repair your skin barrier, you can use ceramides. So overall, it's an amazing moisturizer. It not just helps in moisturizing your skin, but it also helps in retaining that moisture into your skin and prevents dryness. So I'm just gonna apply this on my skin. इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है, as you can see, it's creamy. ये स्किन में इतना फास्ट अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है and it's so lightweight. As soon as you start applying and massaging it, it just starts feeling so nourishing on the skin. It provides that intense amount of moisturization and it just makes the skin so smooth, so soft, so plump, and it boosts radiance on the skin. I absolutely love how beautiful and baby soft my skin becomes after using this moisturizer. Now the last product that I'm going to use, which is the most important product, is a sunscreen. अब sunscreen लगाने के बाद बहुत लोग ये complain करते हैं कि उनकी जो skin है वो काफी dull दिखती है, because most of the sunscreens are so heavy that they make the skin look so dull. But the sunscreen that I'm going to use today is a dewy sunscreen, and it's going to like make your skin so much more dewy and so much more glowy. ये Foxtail Cover Up Dewy Sunscreen है, and this has an SPF of 70 PA plus, so 4+ signs. तो UVA protection बहुत अच्छा देता है ये. Moreover, it's SPF 70, which is like a really good amount of sun protection. Usually सारे sunscreens में SPF 50 होता है, पर इसमें 70 है, so it's going to provide better sun protection than other sunscreens. And ये UVA, UVB दोनों protection आपको देता है. Along with that, this has niacinamide, जो आपके स्किन के एक्सेसिव ऑयलीनेस को कंट्रोल करता है. जनरली कोई भी सनस्क्रीन लगाने के बाद स्किन डल दिखती है, बहुत ग्रीसी दिखती है, पर इसमें नाइसिनामाइड है जिससे आपकी स्किन का जो एक्सेसिव ऑयलीनेस है वो कंट्रोल हो जाता है एंड स्किन बिल्कुल भी ग्रीसी नहीं दिखेगी. At the same time, it has pro vitamin B5 and vitamin E, which are both so nourishing for the skin. And this is one of those sunscreens which has 3 benefits. It gives you sun protection, it gives you hydration, and it boosts glow on the skin. So I'm just going to take an adequate amount of this sunscreen. You need to take 2 fingers of the sunscreen. As you can see, it's so lightweight, it's getting absorbed super fast into the skin. It's not leaving any white cast and it's instantly making my skin so much more glowing. Unlike other sunscreens, इसने मेरी स्किन को बिल्कुल भी डल नहीं बनाया. मेरी स्किन इतनी ज़्यादा ग्लो कर रही है, इतनी ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज्ड है, एंड इट्स जस्ट लुकिंग एंड फीलिंग सो प्लम्प एंड सो हेल्दी. So this is the skincare routine that you can follow for a boost of glow on your skin. You can see the amount of glow, you can see the amount of radiance on my skin even after using 4 products. मेरी स्किन का जो नेचुरल ग्लो था वो दबा नहीं इन प्रोडक्ट्स के नीचे. इनफैक्ट वो जो नेचुरल ग्लो है वो इतना ज़्यादा एनहांस हो गया, एंड look at how dewy, glowy and plump my skin looks. I absolutely love my skin. So this is the glow boosting skincare regime that you can follow, and ये जो सारे glow boosting products है by Foxtail, they're amazing, all tried and tested. You saw the results for yourself, so I highly recommend you try them out. So in case if you want to purchase any of these Foxtail products or any other Foxtail products for that matter, this is the perfect time to shop, because Foxtail is running their buy 2 get 2 sale, and you only need to pay for 2 products. You will get 2 other products absolutely free. So you're getting 4 products at just the price of 2. You need to use my code RIAS to avail this offer. So make sure that you grab this opportunity. ऐसे sales बार बार नहीं आते. It's a steal deal sale and I highly recommend you take advantage of it. ये सारे products जो है Foxtail के, they are all amazing products and सारे रिजल्ट्स आपके सामने हैं. इनके अलावा भी if you need any other good Foxtail product recommendations, you can comment down below with your skin concern, and I'll definitely guide you in which product to purchase. So yeah, that was my video on a glow boosting skincare regime. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.